Thank you everyone for joining us today. Some really cool stuff coming along here. Specific to SNMP, we've had a lot of requests from you folks over the years to add to what we do with SNMP. As many of you know, we've always used SNMP to collect interface speeds and interface names and device names and some of that information that we provide around our flow exporters. And what we've done is we've rebuilt our SNMP engine for this release, and it adds the ability to collect other counters and trend those over time. So adding to the basic stuff we've always collected, we're now also collecting packet drops, packet errors. So that starts giving you visibility outside of the pipe, if you will. You know, flow data tells you what's going on with the packets that are traversing through an interface. But this also now gives you the ability to see when a packet was dropped before it made it to the interface, or if there's errors on an interface that could be impacting that traffic. And we've merged this all into, excuse me, our existing reporting interface. So you can see, we'll show you in a minute here, but it's seamless to pivot between the SNMP data and your flow data. Along with that new functionality, we have additional authentication options with SNMP v3 and using the 256-bit encryption, which people have been asking for. We're also using SNMP to collect Cisco Discovery Protocol, link layer Discovery Protocol, and that's driving the underlying data sources for Topology, Flowhopper, and some of the things that we'll see here.